Hey guys, Dandy Dan here, bringing you another episode of Farm Time, and this is kind of a culmination of what we've been farming for in the last couple of days. We've been using our kind of cheap farming army. Pretty much, this is just about done. So a bunch of archers, goblins, barbarians, 6 wall breakers, which are still cooking, a few minions like 4, and 8 giants. And what we're doing is we've managed to stack up some serious elixir now. We've done an army camp within like basically 2 days ago, so we were down to pretty much like 1 million elixir. Quickly got that up to about 2.5 and 3 million, and now, as you can see, within another day, we're up to 4.68 million. We do have a little bit of gold too. We've been constantly dumping the gold into the walls. So what you'll see here, if I do remove all, is that even as of a little while ago, probably this morning when I posted a video, we were at 48 walls, so we've done 7 more walls. And as of a couple of days ago, that number was in the 60s for purple walls left. And you can see we're rapidly approaching being done with skull walls, so we'll move on to Legos from there. So that's what's been going on. So I want to go ahead and do this video real quick because I want to upgrade these things so I don't get raided because I have no shield. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spend that last bit of gold there, get that down so that, one more wall done. We're going to need our tiny bit of loot that's in here, so I'm going to grab that. And then the one thing I wanted to do was we just finished our max raid spell. Um, like if we look here, there it is. Now I could do jump, but with what I want to do today, I was hoping to get more around a little over 5 million, but we didn't make it that far. And really it's kind of neither here nor there because this all needs done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the lab for 2.5 million. That is going to take up a builder. Then I guess what I was going to do next was an army camp, which I have enough for. But now that I realize I kind of need a builder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gem the queen because she's a little quicker. But you can see she's almost level 9, so that'll be a Hero Sojourn episode in a second. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish her off. And then when that next builder comes available in 52 minutes, we'll be doing the queen again. But this only takes 11 gems, so it's really not a problem. So we're going to go ahead and do that just to open up the builder. And then I'm going to pop over here and do another army camp. And you can see now we're down to almost no elixir, no gold, and just that, dark elixir in the middle of our base, which will be gone in about another hour to 2 hours. Well, maybe a little longer than that. I got some war attacks to do too. But we will be saving that builder for the queen. So we got this done. You can see it's working. I recommend you do the same versus trying to use dark troops to level up your troops or to get rather elixir. Don't use dark troops to get elixir. Use cheap elixir troops to get elixir. That works pretty good. Once we get a little bit of elixir going, we're going to then bounce back to doing more elixir heavy, raids for dark elixir, which is probably going to be peg knife. Okay, that's what we've been primarily using. And then after we get our dark elixir back up, we'll flip back, picking up some elixir the cheap way, and continue to work on these army camps. The other big elixir upgrade that I have in my sights to do is this dark elixir storage, just to get that out of the way. It's something that's a big upgrade that will not take and add war weight to our base, which is not what I want to do right now. So that's where we're at. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you soon.